Hey guys, and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to automate your tasks and your social media posts with Zapier. And to do so, it's very easy. Now, of course, the first thing you have to do is to open Zapier on your browser. So you can type Zapier on Google and then access the first link. So now, once you are here, you will have to log in or to sign up. In my case here, I will do the full process. So I will sign up with my Google Cloud account. Now let's sign up with Google here. Now, once you're here, you will have to describe your role, either engineering, marketing, and marketing ops, sales ops, etc. I'll just put other for this case. Let's say, for example, content creator, for example. Now let's continue. Here, what's your company size? So just put in your company size. I will just put 1 to 49. And here for the apps, let's say, for example, I want to add, let's say Gmail, for example, YouTube, and then I'll also add monday.com and Facebook pages and Telegram. Now let's continue. You can also skip it, by the way, if you want. And here you'll find yourself on this page. Okay, so now all you have to do is just to go to the Copilot here and then enter your idea. So let's say, for example, you want to post a social media file from the Google Drive that I will add and add the caption as the file name. For example, post on Facebook, Instagram, X, YouTube, and Snapchat. Now, this prompt is not the best thing ever, but you can craft a prompt as you like. You can add as much details as you want. Of course, you can also try to use ChatGPT to make a perfect prompt. But here, for example, for the templates, we have multiple templates, like create and publish social media content from new Google Docs, generate images with ChatGPT, and post on Facebook and Instagram, etc. But I will stick with this prompt for now. So let's click on send, and here let's wait a few seconds for it to automate the workflow. All right, so here just click on continue with Zap Editor. Of course, you can read all of this to see if there is a part that you don't like or that you want to change. But I will continue with Zap Editor because I'm fine with the result it gave me. And now again, just wait for it a few seconds to set up the Zap. Okay, so here as you can see, I have the first trigger action, which is new file and folder in the Google Drive. So we'll have to connect your Google Drive account here by signing in. And then here I have this one up thing. So create post on one up. I don't want that. So I'll just chat with Copilot and then I will tell it to remove one up and post on all on the other social media platforms that I mentioned. Okay, perfect. Now I have this trigger action, which is new file in the folder. In YouTube, I will upload a video. For Instagram, I will publish photos. And for the Facebook page, I will create a page photo. So of course, you can also change the photos to videos, and it will make the caption as the file name. And that's it, basically. You've done it. So you just need to connect your Google Drive account, your YouTube account, your Instagram, and your Facebook. And that's it. You will just need to click on test run for the first time and then click on publish and you will be good and it will be all set up. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.